Good day, everybody. Today I'd like to talk to you about this rechargeable milk frother from Haushof. I believe that's how you pronounce it. This sports a super powerful motor that reaches up to 11,000 RPMs that turns your milk into a frothy perfection, which is perfect for all your drinks. It features a lightweight wand with a stainless steel head. One of the great features about it is a rechargeable battery that it runs off of. A lithium battery by a Type-C plug-in cable. You just plug in the cable in the bottom of the wand when it runs low, and it's charges it right back up the speed for you. If you want to bring your drinks up a notch or two, you can't really go wrong with this product. But if you want to find out more about it, feel free to click on the link below. Also, please click like and subscribe because it really does help out the channel quite a bit. So thank you so much, and we'll talk to you soon.